He's going to jump out of the kite, come and tag his mate.
Come on, Philip!
Woo! Over here, Daryl! Over here, Daryl!
Philip! Philip!
Daryl!
Tag him,
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
That's not tied up.
There's no...
Good on you, girls. Good on you. Good on you, girls. Just move it around to follow them if you...
Oh, with this?
Yeah, he's done nice and slowly. Good on him, actually. Slow, steady wins the race.
Yeah, babe. Not fast, because then you end up just falling off.
Start again.
Yeah.
Who's this one in front? Which group do you know?
I think that's Hellensville.
Oh, okay. Good on them.
Good with standard. Cozy.
Doing well, guys. Doing well. Awesome.
Awesome, Cozies.
Yeah, man. I come down to chuck them off. I'm having one of those. Yeah. I'll boost them up.
Brother, can't wait!
Run, bro! Run, bro! Run, Joe! Run, Fred! Run, Fred! Go, hard, ball! Keep going, Fred! Go, come on!
Look, it's up. Actually, I think everyone's been really supportive though, generally. You know, even the other groups. So it's unusual that sort of thing is the second day is going on because everyone has been. I think they're next one. So it's just a nuisance, eh?
It is because it's.
I see my heart slowly land in your outstretched hands, and I'll softly land in your outstretched arms. I get carried away by this raging tide. It gets harder to say than hide all these feelings inside. And nothing's more real than my feelings in this moment in time. Nothing's more real than my feelings in this moment in time. Nothing's more real. Nothing's more real.
Do you know who she is? Where she's from?
Hot in the desert mall, subtle and right hook. Yeah, we've got something to say. Better than a statement, more meaning than a movement. Yeah, we've got something to say. No one's listening anyway. But I hear you. No one's listening anyway. But I hear you.
It's bloody fast actually. Those bloody long legs. Oh, this is good. Oh fuck it, looks hard actually. I don't know why they're doing the hardest flippers to use.
Yeah, that's what I'm...
Got a good stride. It's hard work actually. Broke, is it?
I wish I had your number. I think I'd call you every day. I don't wanna be your other. I dreamed a dream, you said you'd stay. Nations are not for your armor, and not your weapons in a personal war. Sweating interrogations have said so much, I can't stand the silence anymore. And I will never let you get me down. No, I will never hit the ground. It's better to have loved and lost, and never to have loved before. I know I've heard these lines so many times before, but it's the truth. I got beaten by your speed. I had no time to give away.
Wait, where's the skill from, bro? Where's the skill from?
It doesn't work
That's
against
like,
the wind,
you
does
really
it?
want team stuff. I have to edit it. But yeah, just keep looking.
Imagine it made us some of those big colour. Hits! Hits! Yeah, and we've got another old student in the Leeds team as well.
Oh, that's bloody good actually.
So we're starting to...
Interrogations have said so much, I can't stand the silence anymore. And I will never let you get me down. No, I will never hit the ground. It's better to have loved and lost, and never to have loved before. I know I've heard these lines so many times before, but it's the truth.
Okay, okay. No.
Oh, no, no, no.
Very impressive seeing everyone there though. Far out.
Oh, no.
Hugo.
In this light, between the universe and me, I will never let you get me down. No, I will never hit the ground.
It's been down, I've never seen them so tidy though. Looks like a businessman or something.
Which side do you reckon? Which side do you reckon? I'll go left. I reckon this side. I'll go left. Oh no!